We can use Chintaro to communicate with our clients by SMS if we have set up an account with a third-party SMS provider. We'll talk more about this in a moment, but let's see how we send SMSs to our clients first. When we want to send an SMS to one of our clients, from the home screen, we click Clients in the toolbar, then search for the client we want to contact. Once we've found our client we want to contact, we double-click on their row and open their client screen. At the top of the screen, in the blue buttons, we see one here for SMS. When we click this, we see an SMS client pop-up appears. The first thing we see here is a tick box for Create Client Note. This is defaulted to ticked, meaning when we send the SMS, a note will be created in Chintaro with the contents of the SMS. The next thing we see is the contact phones that have come through from the contact phone section on the left-hand side of the client screen here. If our client has a valid mobile phone number, we will see a mobile number in the mobile number section here. We can see that Evan Daniels has 2 contact numbers, and Chintaro has worked out that the mobile number is the number that begins with 04. So this field will default to the mobile number. Next, we need to enter a note title, and SMSs don't have note titles, but our client note will, and this is what will appear on the client screen after we've sent the SMS. We'll type in Incomplete Application Reminder, and move down to where we type the message we want to send to Evan in the larger box here. We have 160 characters to type our message with, and this limit of 160 is applied by the telecommunications providers. It's not something that Chintaro has any control over. We're going to send a message saying, "Hi Evan, this is a reminder to complete your application form for housing. Please call the office on 03 9111 2656. As we begin to type our message, we see the number of characters will go down. If we get the error message, there is a maximum of 160 characters for this text message truncated. That means you have typed too many characters. Chintaro will automatically reduce the size of your message to the allowed number of characters. The name in the sender field, Chintaro in this case, will be who the message appears to be from when our client receives it. This is a default parameter we change in System Preferences and should be set to our organization's name, but we only have 11 characters to do so. Again, this limit is set by the telecommunications providers, and there is no way that we can increase the number of characters. Once we're happy with the message, we click on the Send SMS button. As long as we have an account set up with a third-party SMS provider, we get this message. The SMS has been successfully sent with the phone number we sent it to, and because we chose to create a client note, a note has been created for our client. We can view the details of the SMS we sent by double-clicking on the note to open, and here we can see the contents of the SMS we sent, when it was done, who sent it, and so on. If we are trying to send SMSs to our clients through Chintaro, and we get an error message, it is most likely because there is a problem with the setup of our SMS account. To send SMSs through Chintaro, we need to have an account set up with a third-party SMS provider. MDB Consulting is not an SMS provider, but we can put you in touch with a couple of SMS providers that are compatible with Chintaro. Check the Chintaro knowledge base for compatible SMS providers. We'll be having a look at how we can send SMSs in bulk to several clients in a later video.